Happy holidays, everyone. Wait a minute. Yeah, all right. There we go. Now that's more like happy holiday crafting, everyone. Woohoo! I'm Matthew Reinhart, pop-up book creator. Happy holidays. It's time for crafting. Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the pop-up studio. My name is Matthew Reinhart, and this is my studio. I'm a pop-up book creator, children's book author, and illustrator, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Got my sweater on because it's feeling chilly. I wonder why. It's the winter holiday season. It's Christmas. It's Hanukkah. It's the New Year. It's Kwanzaa. It's all these different, the winter solstice. There's all kinds of stuff that we'll be celebrating this holiday season. And I celebrate Christmas myself. I love Christmas. It's so much fun. I love to see my family. I love to get presents. I love the Christmas trees. I love the crafts, and that's what you're here for. We've made 12 different crafts. Well, we're gonna make the 12th one today. We're gonna have the 12 pops of the holidays, and the 12th one today is a really important symbol of the winter holiday season. Look, it's a snowflake. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. This is a pop-up twister mechanism, all right? So what's great about twisters is they get really tall. Look at that, it really spreads out. We're gonna make this craft together. Let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna need 3 or 4 pieces of cardstock for this project. You can use any color you want. You can use purple, you can use green, whatever color snowflake pop-up you wanna make. Or you can use white. White's easy because snowflakes are kind of white, right? Don't use construction paper, don't use regular paper. Use cardstock, you can get it at all kinds of stores. You're gonna download below, there's a link, and you're gonna click on that link and you're gonna download the template, all right? And then you're gonna print that template onto the cardstock, and then we're gonna start assembling our pop-up. So you ready? All right, let's go. Okay, we've printed out all of our templates onto 3 pieces of cardstock. We need a ruler, we're gonna need something to score with. I use a knitting needle, or you can use a large paper clip. Something to cut with, I typically use a craft knife. You could also use very delicate scissors, and glue. We need regular old glue. All right, let's start out with our ruler and our knitting needle or paper clip, large paper clip. And what we're doing is we're pressing along the ruler following the dotted black lines. So the dotted black lines are where we score. That's where the fold line is gonna be. And the reason why we score is we're telling the paper this is where you need to fold. So that's a very important thing. We wanna do the scoring before we start cutting out everything. So now we're gonna cut out all the pieces using our X-Acto knife, or you could use scissors, but it's just a little bit harder. With an X-Acto knife, you can really get in all those little crevices much easier. Remember not to cut towards your fingers, cut away from your fingertips, because you don't want to slice your finger off, right? You don't want that. So be very, very careful, cut out all the pieces, and then we'll get to assembling. So once we're done, now we're gonna pre-fold everything. Now we know where to fold because we followed those dotted black lines, right? So we're just folding everything, and it will know where to fold because you've already scored everything, right? So it's a lot easier. If you do this without scoring all of the dotted black lines, it would be so much harder, and your folds may not be as precise. So this is very important to do. It's very important to score everything first, okay? So once we've pre-folded everything, we're just kind of making sure everything moves back and forth. This is just to make sure that our pieces fold easier into our pop-up. So it's always good to, just move them around, make sure everything is a lot easier to move. All right, so let's get to assembling.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Bring the magic of the Disney parks into your home with this fun and interactive pop-up map. With original artwork by the incredible Rui Ricardo, detailed text by Charlie Price, and intricate paper engineering from award-winning paper engineer Matthew Reinhart. That's me! The Disneyland Pop-Up Park Tour brings the beloved landscapes, attractions, and characters of the Disney parks vividly to life. Intricate and unique, this deluxe pop-up map is an essential keepsake for Disney fans of all ages. Now you can bring Disneyland home with you. From New York Times best-selling paper engineer Matthew Reinhart, that's me, comes the ultimate 3D masterpiece showcasing all your favorite comic book characters in DC Superheroes, the ultimate pop-up book. Fly above Metropolis with Superman, don a cowl and zoom through Gotham with Batman, battle alongside the Amazons with Wonder Woman, and so much more as the Justice League encounters villains such as Lex Luthor and the Joker.
featuring contemporary comics art and remarkable three-dimensional paper engineering on every page. This hefty pop-up, it's heavy, book is a must-have for all DC fans or anyone who loves the art of pop-ups. Now from Abrams Books, check it out. Alrighty, let's pull this piece and this piece. This is the base piece. See these huge triangular sort of slits right in the base page? Look at that. These pieces, they go right into there, and now we're just gonna pull this up and stick some glue right there. See, make sure the center fold of the base page lines up with those folds at the center of our snowflake piece. And make sure also when you're assembling this that it goes completely flat. Now look at that. We're gonna close it just to make sure that it works right. We're gonna press it down. Look at that. So those are two big V's going in opposite directions. Now we're going to glue this piece on, and we're just gonna see these two tabs. They're kind of shaped in a certain way. Watch. We're just gonna glue it on one side like this. Make sure it's glued in. We're gonna do the opposite on the bottom. So the top and the bottom glues out, and then what you're going to do when you close it, once it's dried, let it dry. Once it's closed, you're going to help it sort of twist in the right direction for the first time. So see, that's how it's supposed to fold. And see these little extra sections, we're going to make sure that they fold in the right direction too. Okay, that extra piece that we glued on is like a bridge between those two V folds. Okay, let's glue this into shape, right, just like that. Glue it into shape, glue it into place. I can't even talk. Glue it into place. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. So we just made a twister snowflake, and now let's decorate it. Ooh, wouldn't you love to see me decorate this in time lapse? Wouldn't you love that? I would too, but you know what? I forgot to turn on the record on the camera. So basically what I did was I took some colored construction paper and I cut it out to fit in the spots. And I even got rid of like this area here so that it looks like there's more snowflake. And then what I did was I sort of brushed on some glue onto some of the pieces, and I made sure it didn't stick together, and I sprinkled on some glitter so you can see, ooh, glittery. Now, when you do that, I had to let this dry for about 30 minutes to an hour, opened. Don't close it, because if you put glue on something, and then you close it, never open it again. Then once it was dried, I flattened the card for a while to really let it set. So now, look at it, it's nice and flat and looks beautiful. Look at that snowflake. Ooh, snowflakes are falling. Not for me, because I'm in LA. At least I have this snowflake, right? I hope you enjoyed making this pop-up craft. You know, you could do anything you want with this. You could make it into as cards to send out, or you could just enjoy it for yourself, or you could make a book with all the other 12 pops of the holidays that we did this year. So on our way out, hey, listen, we're at the end of the video. We're at the end of the year too. So could you do me a favor, please? And could you hit that like and click subscribe down below? It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps get our videos out there. Feel free to comment, tell me whether you like the video or not. You know, whatever you're going to tell me down there really helps me. You know, if you've got good ideas for future crafts, let me know. I appreciate your comments, your interactions, and I do this for you. I love you all very, very much, and I thank you for being so positive, giving me so much encouragement over the last year and over the last years. And I hope that in 2025, we can do even bigger and better stuff. So I thank you. This is Matthew Reinhart saying, be kind to a stranger, think creatively, and keep it holiday poppin'. Holiday time. Bye, y'all.